eContact Pro is a new revolutionary way of entering contact information into your iPhone. Now, if you are like me and many others, you have many business cards that are given to you, lots of business cards from people, and it's tedious to enter in all that information manually. So of course this application allows you to do that, but it also allows for a translating service. Now, I had taken a photo of a business card yesterday, and I got a push notification letting me know that it is ready to be viewed. And also I have a notification here saying that it is ready as well. So I could tap on that card and see here the information for that card. So any information that was available on the card would be entered into this contact database for me. So I can go back, and any cards that I have viewable in here I can view. Now I've only have the one, but it's very simple to add more. So I have a card here, the Daily App Show business card, and I'm going to go ahead and add that card as well. And you can add multiple cards. You can add up to 50 pictures in 10 minutes, so you can enter a lot of information. So let's go ahead and just take a single picture. Now it's going to suggest that we put it into this selected area space here. I'm going to flip it around so that my finger is not covering the contact information. So it goes and it reads, focuses in nicely on the card. Then we take the photo and it sends this information off. It says, do we want to use this photo? Yes, we do. So now it loads it in and it says, do you want to use our remote data entry service? I'm going to hit OK. If I wanted to hit later, then I can enter in the information myself into the database, which would be fine. Or, of course, I can use their data entry service, which is a real back office data entry service. So real people are doing this. It says, do you want to recommend this contact and earn 5 card processing credits? I'm going to go ahead and hit OK, and it's going to go ahead and send that out. So it says my data processing will be done within 24 hours, so I just have to wait and then it'll be done. So imagine yourself at a mixer, like a Chamber of Commerce mixer or something like that. You just got back from a trade show. You have a ton of business cards that you've got. Of course you want all their information, but you don't want to have to type it in. You can use this application to quickly grab images of all of those business cards and then allow the service to process them for you. So what's really nice is once it's all processed, you can even use this application to make phone calls, SMS, email, get a geolocation of the contact, of course, if the address information was available. And then, of course, you can save your address book on their server for remote access. And in case you lose your iPhone, you can always bring your data back in from their service. So let's take a look at settings. In settings here, we have our basic settings for the display of our grouping and contacts here. We could set up groups and, of course, allow for different searching by city, by company, by name, set our language, sort list by name. That's great. We can now go and set up our account, which we would put in our account information here. Oops, let's go back. I just tapped on the wrong button. We can restore our information, of course, and then we could save our information, and I just hit OK, and it is now going to go ahead and back that information up. Now you can purchase credits, and this is what it costs to use this service. Free with the application, you get 3 processing credits. So the app costs $1.99, and you get 3 processing credits for free. And then, of course, the 20-pack is $3.99, and of course, a pack of 500 is $37.99. But if you think about it, what would it be worth to you to have somebody enter in all of those contacts for you, without you having to do it, or you having to actually hire a person to come in and do it for you? I think $37.99 to manually enter data from business cards, 500 business cards, is not that bad. So I recommend this solution as a way of getting your contact information entered in from these business cards. Now, yes, there are scanners out there you can buy that do this and software that can do this, but it's not the best stuff out there. This is a real person looking at the information and entering it in, and then of course you can tap on the name, and if there was phone numbers, and of course this one doesn't because this is a podcast, you'd be able to tap on these items and see the items live. Of course, you can even view the image and see the full business card as well. So my waiting to process, I just have the image of the card. I don't have any information in here yet. I can go in and edit this information if I would like and manually enter it myself. Or, of course, I already did use one of my credits, so I'm just going to wait for the processing to take place, and I'll be notified via a push notification once that takes place. So this application works on the 3GS iPhone running the version 3.1 or higher, so you do need the sufficient photo capability of the 3GS for this to work, because obviously it has the focus and a better camera and all that stuff. So all the information saved on their dedicated and secure server, so it is secure. They're not selling your information or the information that you enter. Of course, this service is just for you and you alone. So this is a great option, I think, for those of you who get lots of business cards, are tired of entering them manually. eContact Pro is a very cost-effective solution for this. So for $1.99, you can get eContact Pro. Try it out with the 3 credits that come for free, which means 3 business cards that you can process for free. And then, of course, if you like it, you can go further, purchase more credits, and process more translations. So definitely check out eContact Pro in the App Store today.